The United States is not only the world's largest economy, it is also the greatest consumer of foreign-made goods. About half of what we buy are clothing, toys, pharmaceuticals, cars, vegetables, you name it, comes from another country. Processing these goods keeps U.S. Customs and Border Protection very busy at our nation's 326 ports of entry. But occasionally, some foreign importers and manufacturers are tempted to cut corners. These shortcuts by foreign manufacturers can be extremely dangerous to the health and safety of the U.S. consumer. This is Inside CBP. Hello, and welcome to Inside CBP. I'm Michael Pope. The foreign importers and manufacturers who attempt to cheat the system of importing their merchandise into the U.S. sometimes send unsafe goods to America that are not up to U.S. standards. These products may be produced under unsanitary conditions, labeled with false or misleading information, or just simply constructed with dangerous and inferior materials. Imported items that do not meet U.S. regulations for safety, like toys with small parts or lead paint that could be ingested, clothing that is highly flammable, an unsafe part in a power strip or household lighting, or infected personal hygiene products are examples of unsafe imported products here in the U.S. Consider the dangerous consequences if you use any of these unsafe products. This is why import safety is a top priority for the men and women of U.S. Customs and Border Protection. CBP shares responsibility for ensuring the safety of imported goods with many other federal agencies. Each agency shares a strong commitment to work together and helps keep you and your family safe from dangerous imports. CBP operates a multi-agency commercial targeting and analysis center in Washington, D.C. Here is where a joint task force carefully examines information about commercial shipments coming into the country. Tens of thousands of shipments each day are scrutinized by CBP and its federal partners to identify foreign-made products bound for the U.S. which may present potential health and safety threats. One federal agency that CBP works closely with to protect the American consumer from unsafe products is the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Now, scientists and technicians at the CPSC laboratories test for product safety with many different methods, including chemical, mechanical, electrical, and fire combustion.
The Consumer Product Safety Commission is charged with regulating more than 15,000 different types of consumer products within the United States. And we do our best to protect families and consumers from the dangerous products such as electrocution hazards, children's hazards, mechanical hazards that can cause injuries to children or families. CBP and CPSC then work collaboratively to develop strategies to effectively target the shipments of greatest risk. CTAC is a great facilitator in getting that information out to the ports so that ports can actually prevent those shipments from entering before they pose a hazard to consumers.
You can report import health and safety violations and other trade violations by calling the CBP Trade Hotline at 1-800-BE-ALERT. That's 1-800-BE-ALERT. Your assistance will be greatly appreciated. For Inside CBP, I'm Michael Pope.